What up YouTube? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you've been watching for a while, oh by the way, I'm Sherry. Thank you for being here today. If you've been watching for a while, you know that I've been doing Vlogmas, and in the process I have been unboxing the 12 Days of Beauty by Target Beauty, and I have opened all these flaps and annihilated this box and opened up every little door 1 through 12 to show all the wonderful things that were inside. It was exciting and it was fun, and I will link where you can get this box down below if you would like to go check it out. I would imagine that after the holiday it will be discounted, so if you want to get it for a cheaper price, then wait a little while. It might sell out, but it might not. I have noticed that a lot of advent calendars end up being on sale after the holiday, kind of like Halloween candy after Halloween. That being said, I'm going to do a quick recap of everything that came in the box, just as my wrap-up finale for Vlogmas. I also wanted to take a moment just to say happy holidays to all of you guys, to send my love out to you and your family. Please take the time to enjoy the season with your family and your loved ones, despite what you celebrate or what your religion is or any of those things. Take this special time of year when sometimes people have a little bit of extra time off to spend with your family and your loved ones. Make sure that they know how much you appreciate them and love them, and just give them an extra hug and kiss, and make sure that all is good in your family. Work on it if you need to. All right. Also wanted to say thank you so much for your support over this year. I've appreciated it so much. I have made so many wonderful friends, wonderful colleagues, and fellow YouTubers. I feel like all of you are such a blessing to my life, so thank you so much for being such good friends to me, for enjoying this crazy YouTube journey that we've all gone on, whether you're a viewer or a creator or whatever you might be in this capacity. I have enjoyed doing this alongside you, and so I appreciate you so much. So let's get into the recap of what was in this 12 Days of Beauty by Target Beauty. Okay, so day number 1, I got AHC Essential Real Eye Cream for the face. Eye cream that can be used all over the face. Okay, interesting twist. Day number 2, I got a Sexy Mother Pucka lip gloss from Soap and Glory. Day number 3, I got a Design Essentials Natural Almond and Avocado Detangling Leave-In Conditioner. Day 4, I got a Hair Food Coconut Dry Shampoo. Day 5, I got a Milani Highly Rated Mascara. Day number 6, I got a Native Coconut and Vanilla Body Wash. Day number 7, I got a Native Coconut and Vanilla Deodorant. Day number 8, I got a Pixie Skin Treats Glow Tonic Exfoliating Toner. Day number 8, I got a K-Bella Professional Plumping Gold Peel-Off Mask. Day number 9, I got a Pantene Pro V Cheat Day Dry Shampoo Foam. Day number 11, I got a Pantene Pro V Mist-Behaving Dry Conditioner Mist. And day number 12, I got 3 moisturizers from Lumine that is out of Finland. Very cool. So out of all these things, the thing I'm most excited to use probably is the eye cream and the body wash from Native. It smells really good, so I'm interested. The thing that I think is the most interesting is the dry shampoo foam. It'll be interesting to see how this actually works because it's kind of wet. And it's a dry shampoo foam. So that's the thing that I'm most intrigued by, I guess. Obviously, I got to get into this mascara. Anything beauty related. The mascara and the lip gloss, you know, makes my makeup love and heart happy. So everything else, I'm really excited to try all of it. So like I said, if there's anything spectacular, you will know about it, because it will be in a favorites or an empties video, because I used it all up, and I'm not going to use it all up if it's not any good. So there you have it. Again, thank you so much, you guys. I appreciate you so much. Thank you for joining me for Vlogmas for 2019. It was fun. I did it in a way that wouldn't make me a crazy person so that I can follow my own advice and enjoy the special time with my family around the holiday season and just all the fun things that come along with it. So I love you guys so much. I hope you have a wonderful holiday, and I will be seeing you again soon. Until then, take care and God bless and happy Vlogmas. Bye guys.